Hi, good morning. So this is Doc Kulot. So let's welcome you guys to Highway Mind. Ayan, may bago akong pakulo. So yung Highway Mind, mga thoughts and reflections in life that you may like to, listen, char. Anyway, so hinatid ko yung isang cousin ko ngayon. Actually, nasa airport na ako, parking lot. And then this cousin is an inspo for so many of us. When I was young, yung dati ko lagi niyo sasabihin, dapat maging ganito ka, dapat maging ganyan ka, dapat tularan mo si kaka mo, ganon. Parang growing up, meron na talaga akong icon or parang meron akong person na dapat kong tularan. And parang nag-stick talaga siya sa mind ko kasi in fairness to this cousin, nakita ko yung paano siya naging successful, talagang nakapagtrabaho siya bilang nurse sa ibang bansa. Tapos nakita ko, ang ganda nung life niya in an essence. Sobrang nakaka-inspire talaga. So, dahil siguro maganda talaga yung for me, especially sa mga nangangarap doon, sa mga nangangarap ngayon, napaka-importante na meron tayong person na tinitingnan, na tinitingala. Not because we want the same thing. Well, we hope at least more of the things na ma-experience natin. But because I feel like pag meron tayong inspiration before us, it allows us to really dream bigger, to really persevere more, and to really push through and push forward despite all the struggles in life. So, ito yung nangyari sa akin kasi I remember as young as 7 years old. Yeah, as young as 7 years old, I already knew I wanted to be just like her. Wow, hi Kadayang, ayan. I wanted to be as beautiful as her, as successful as her. I want to be as someone like how she reached. So, yun yung parang na-learn ko early on in my life. So, sa mga young dreamers dyan na katulad ko na nag-aaral, yung mga talagang nagsisimula sa buhay, get an inspiration, a person that you can look into para mas ma-engganyo kayo, ma-encourage kayo to do more in life. So, yun lang. This is Highway Minds, episode 3. Thanks for watching!